I'm Dr. Christina, the Picky PT, and I'm going to show you how to be picky about your foot exercises. The definition of insanity is to do the same thing over and over again and expect a different result. If you have been doing the same plantar fasciitis exercises that you found on YouTube before and it's not helping, here's some ones that you haven't tried. So, a lot of folks end up with plantar fasciitis for many different reasons. Could be calf tightness, could be lack of ankle mobility, could be lack of strength inside your feet. Yes, you have 4 layers of muscle in your feet, and that does have an effect on your plantar fasciitis. I'm going to show you a couple of exercises that you may not have seen before that you can try to help you with that plantar fasciitis if it has not been going away with the typical exercises. First exercise is going to be toe spreading. So you've heard wide toe box shoes are the in thing now. They're good for your feet. Well, we also need to be actively spreading our toes using our muscles as an exercise. So having your feet flat, stretching those toes out as far as you can in both directions, and holding there and relaxing again. Stretching and holding. Some people find it easier to do it at first with some toe extension, lifting up off the ground, spreading, and then placing down. But the idea is you need spreading between all of those toes in both directions equally. This will work out the muscles that actually pull your toes apart and decrease the tension that is pulling your feet together, either from incorrect shoes or from how you tend to walk. The next exercise you're going to do is foot intrinsics to work out those 4 layers of muscle that are in your feet that should be supporting your arch rather than relying on your plantar fascia to do it alone. So the exercise is going to be starting with spread toes, and then you're going to press your big toe down and in, and you'll notice that that increases the height of your arch, okay? You're not going to flex it down and curl. You're going to press straight down and in, lifting that arch, making it more supported, all right? While you do that, the other 4 toes are going to hang out in the air, spread still. Then you're going to alternate. You're going to put down the 4 and lift up the big toe, lifting it up and in, not letting it lift up and towards the other toes, but up and out towards away from the other toes. This will work out the muscles that pull your big toe out, pull your pinky toe out, spread your feet so they're not so tight, and it's going to help you with that plantar fasciitis that nothing else has been able to help with. If you try these out and they're not successful, please go see a neuromuscular expert, a physical therapist who is going to take a look at you and give you a personalized plan to make sure that you are doing everything you can for that plantar fasciitis. Try these exercises out and let me know, are they helpful? Did you notice an improvement in your plantar fasciitis when you try these out, or are you struggling with them? I'd be happy to direct you to some more detailed videos that could help you do these better with better instruction.